So you want to add some easy and convenient dolly motion to your content? Well, Sandmarc just released this. They call it the Motion Dolly for iPhone, but you can use it with any GoPro or action camera. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short, product review, straight to the point and no fluff. So in the box, you get the dolly, which feels really quality made, crafted out of a full aluminum design. It also comes with a ball head and a phone mount with a cold shoe on top for an extra light. It also does come with a mount for action cameras. It's very compact, durable, and flexible, and perfect for your quick desktop product shots, where you can angle it and move it on a smooth surface. It does work great for the phone, but it also looks really nice with the GoPro Action 2 and even the Insta360 Go 2. I like putting it on a high frame rate so I can slow it down and speed it up to make it look really cool. But 4K 60 looks amazing, and you can even slow that down half speed if you need to. I also like how it gives you the degree angles here, so it's easy to adjust and fine-tune your shot. One thing that I wish that they could include is maybe some type of leash or string to pull it, but you know, you can always improvise. Here is some fishing wire, and I'm just going to tie it up right here, and then look, when I just pull it down, it pulls really nice and smoothly. I actually like this better than using my hands to move it. So for me, something like this will be very handy to have on my desk when I need to get some quick B-roll with a minimal setup. I could just use this and it looks great and gives more life to my shots. But this is a really nice and quality made, super portable little dolly. I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out for yourselves, plus a surprise link. And thanks again for joining me on another short, not short product review, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.